Do you have a Scrivener 3 for Windows template that you always use? Well, you can make that into your default. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to select a default project template so you don't have to go searching for it every time. When you open up a new project, the window gives you a ton of template options. But if all you ever use is the standard novel or non-fiction template, or even a template you've created yourself, you can set that as a default. Simply select the template from the New Project box, click on Options, and set Template as default. Then close the window and open it again for it to take effect, and you'll see that the relevant template section is brought up and your chosen template is selected. If you're interested in creating a custom template, check out this video here.